The next part on this is hand gestures. If you ever see Donald Trump, I hate to use him as an example, but he's pretty topical at the moment. You know, he's all like, I am the best human being ever. I am going to build the biggest wall. You know, like he always does hand movements. And this is because hand movements are a really good way of relaying information. I'm talking this is going to be a big day. We are going to go far. And what it does, it draws people's, it draws their attention. When you're speaking, people's attention spans are like a fly. You talk for 5 seconds and they stop listening after 1 second. But if you're doing movements, if you're changing the variation in your voice, they will follow you. The next thing I'm going to do is play this really short video about non-verbal communication. It stars Eddie Murphy, and the general premise was he is not allowed to speak, so he needs to use just non-verbal communication. As you see by this video, there is a limit. So as I am saying, do all of this lovely stuff, but I'm also saying use it wisely. Try not to overdo it. By finding the balance, your message will be a lot stronger.
Good morning, sir. What can I get started for you today?
Express yourself.
What size? All right. 3 venti lattes. Would you care for a pastry? Nope.
You don't
Mocha. 3 mocha lattes. Oof. Double chocolate chip muffin. Yum.
Express yourself.
You want 3 Paul McCartney CDs. Awesome. You know, I love the Beatles. They are my life. So American.
Whatever you do.
Assassination. Abraham Lincoln. You, me, gun, shoot.
Oh, yeah.
3 shots. I know, I'm a little slow today.
What you doing?
All right, so 3 lattes, 3 mochas, double chocolate chip muffin, and 3 shots. No assassinations. Oh, and 3 Paul McCartney CDs.
Express yourself.
That's gonna be 68-12.